Buy low, sell high. If only it was that easy. Professional traders know how to generate massive profits. Bull markets, bear markets, it doesn't matter. Pro traders know what to buy, and when to sell. They understand how to minimize risk, take gains, and how to compound those gains into potential incredible income over time. But what about the rest of us? Those of us who are too scared to risk losing our investment. Those of us who have already lost big trying our luck at trading. Or maybe you simply don't have the time or the money to learn how to profit from trading. Okay, what if I told you that you could profit from trading without doing any trading yourself? What if I told you that you could make the exact same trades at the exact same time as pro traders? And what if this system was truly plug and play, and you could just sit back and watch the profits roll in, hour after hour, day after day, month after month? And finally, what if you could profit even more by simply sharing this incredible system with others? Well, you're at exactly the right place at the right time. This is the passive opportunity that you've been waiting for. Get back to the person who shared this video with you and get all of your questions answered now.